Hi friends, this is the rate I old monk and today we are with the ASUS Zenfone Max M2. This is a successor of M1. We are going to do the unboxing of the device hands-on and also talk about the camera features. These are the two shades what we are getting for the device, which is light and dark blue shades. So let's check out the video. Now talking about the device, then the box we are getting the dual 4G VoLTE support written ASUS Zenfone Max M2. As far as the processor is concerned, it comes with the Snapdragon 632 processor, which is a new processor. There is a 14nm chip. It has a 4000 mAh battery and 6.3-inch max display. There is a SIM card ejector tool in the box. What we are getting there is also a warranty card and the safety guide information. This is the back bummer, which is a soft TPU silicone case, and here you can see the Zenfone Max M2 is written. We will boot the device. In the meanwhile, we will check also the other box contents are. So here we are getting a charger, and I will show you the charger adapter rating, which you can check it while pausing the video. And also we are getting the micro USB charging cable. This is the cable to use the data transfer and also to charge the device. Now talking about the device, it comes with a 6.3-inch HD plus display. It has a 8 megapixel camera with a notch. This camera can be used for selfie as well as to do the face unlock. Talking about the buttons, what we are getting is the power button and the volume rocker keys on the side. There is a metallic finish at the back. You can see the fingerprint. There is a 13 plus 2 megapixel camera setup at the back. In the bottom, we are getting a noise cancellation mic. There is speaker grills and also micro USB charging slot. Now talking about the slots, we will also check the SIM card slot. Here what we are getting a 3 card slot. Now talking about the card slot, there is two 4G VoLTE card slot and the other is the micro SD card slot. You are also getting a 3.5mm jack on the top of the device. The device looks pretty good in hand while holding. And as far as the device is concerned, it comes with a Snapdragon 632 processor. Inside it, it comes with 19:9 aspect ratio. The smartphone is running on the pure stock Android experience, which is Android 8.1 Oreo, and maybe you will soon get the Pi update. Talking about the device, the battery is also a major factor. It is coming with the 4000 mAh battery. This is the 3GB RAM variant coming with the 32GB internal storage in the device. And here you can see the 32GB internal storage. Talking about the cameras, it comes with a 13 plus 2 megapixel camera at the back. In the front, what you are getting is a 8 megapixel camera setup. So there is no bloatware coming in the device. And also the device works smoothly with the face unlock and the fingerprint sensor at the same time. Now talking about the device, we will check out the camera app. The camera app here, what we are getting, we will check it out those features in the app. We are getting auto mode, pro mode, SDR mode, sports and the night mode. Talking about the flash, we have the features to switch it on and off. There is a beauty mode. You can set the tone up to low, medium and high. There is a portrait mode. In the portrait, you can set the aperture to take the picture. Here you can change it according to your need, which is a great part. You're getting a 13 plus 2 megapixel camera where the 2 megapixel is used for the depth sensing, and in the front you are getting a 8 megapixel camera. There is also a portrait mode, what we have told right now. And in the picture settings, what we are getting, there is definitely, you can click the pictures with the 13 megapixel camera setup. Now I'm just putting on into the video mode and show you the settings and the video mode which can be captured. So it can capture 4K video, definitely 1080p, 720p, 480p. Coming to the front camera, it can record full HD video, which is 1080p. They also 720p and 480p. These are the video resolutions what we are getting with the device. Talking about the device, we are also getting some filters. Now talking about the processor, it is coming the 632, which is a newly built processor by Snapdragon. We have to try and test this. And this is what we are getting with the ASUS Zenfone Max M2. The pricing is still unknown to us, and it will be priced around 10,000 something, and this will be exclusive only on Flipkart. This is all about the ASUS Zenfone Max M2. This is at the rate I old monk signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.